First mega event of the nursing division, and we thank you for coming, only as we celebrate the Philippine Nurses Week, but also supporting an idea that we can turn a dream into a reality.
A dream night for everybody. Ma'am Laura Libonao, our beloved chief nurse. The chief nurses are also with us, joining us tonight. The assistant chief nurses and supervisors, and the many guests, our own nurses who are with us tonight. He wants to congratulate all of you, especially the organizers and those who have made this event so possible. Congratulations to the nursing division. For this event, I hope this won't be the last, ma'am, first and last. This will only be the beginning. I wish all the nurses and all the nursing division more power, and God bless us all. Thank you.
The end of this night, I hope this event will be appreciated by everybody, and we will all be the judge. I wish you all an enjoyable and memorable night. Thank you. To all the POC nurses who gracefully participated in this much-awaited social event, my heartfelt thanks to all of you. Congratulations and mabuhay ang POC nursing.
Congratulations to this wonderful event. Sana maulit po ito sa ating Diamond Anniversary. Thank you very much.